This is Tim here from Your Six Tech. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to stop apps running in the background on your Android phone. So the best way to do this is to go to settings right here, scroll all the way down, and we want to go to About Phone. And we're looking for build number because we want to unlock the developer options. So build number could be under this section for you, but on your Samsung phone, I have to go to software information, scroll on down, here's build number, tap it like 5 times, unlock the developer options. Then we can go back. And on Samsung phones, you can see developer options become unlocked right here. On your other phones, you might have to go to where it says System, scroll on down under there, and you can find developer options. Now we're looking for running services. So here's running services, view and control currently running services. So we can tap this now and go into here, and we can see all these different things running. So we got some like, I have no clue what this KLMS agent. But we can go into here, and then we can just end the process. So let's go to maybe Bluetooth. We can go to Bluetooth, and we can just go to stop. So let's stop this. What is connected to our Bluetooth? So let's stop this again. So just stop all the processes running. So I don't think I have anything else really running in the background. If I go to my switcher, I got all this stuff kind of up, but I can go to close all right here too. I can close everything in there. So look at that. Also, you can try just going through the phone here. You can hit that switcher button, and you can close everything there. But we can go to device care, and then we can go down to memory, and we can check out the different memory on our phone here too. So we can go to clean now, and this is just going to clean the memory on our phone, and it's just going to close all these different applications there too. So now I have a little bit more free space, and I can go to this option to get more RAM. So just look at this as well. Hopefully this video did indeed help you out.